Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, family members, welcome back. Of course, it's Humanity First, uplifting all souls across the board. So we are here again with another video. Okay, you already know here it's all about good news. It's all about good things. It's all about positivity. We have a very good news for Ghana and the world as a whole, because it's actually a global or international partnership. So it's a $10.85 million US partnership between Korea, the USA, and that of Ghana. Okay, so before we proceed, please don't forget to take 5 seconds of your time. Please ensure that you like this video, comment, share, and also subscribe. Please put on all notifications so that each time a new video is dropped, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, I love you all. So let's delve straight into the topic. Okay, so the title of our video is 10.85 million partnership to revolutionize global health. Korea, USA, and Ghana united. Let me go over that again. $10.85 million US partnership to revolutionize global health. Korea, USA, Ghana united. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to Humanity First. Today we have some exciting and inspiring news to share with you. In a remarkable show of global solidarity, Korea, the USA, and Ghana have joined forces to bolster global health security. Let's dive into the details of this groundbreaking partnership. In a world where health crisis can affect anyone, anywhere, partnerships like this are crucial. Korea and the USA are teaming up with Ghana to implement a $10.85 million US initiative under the Global Health Security Agenda, GHSA for short. This agenda is all about strengthening the world's ability to prevent, detect, and respond to infectious disease threats. And Ghana, a key player in West Africa, is at the heart of this ambitious project. Why Ghana? Okay, it's a question. Why Ghana? Why, amongst all the African countries, Ghana is the one chosen to partner with Korea and that of USA? That's the question we are answering. Okay, Ghana has been a regional leader in health security. With its strategic location and growing influence, it's the perfect partner to spearhead this initiative in West Africa. By focusing on Ghana, this partnership aims to create a ripple effect, enhancing health security across the entire region. Okay, so we just answered the question, why Ghana? Now let's come to the goals. The goals of the initiative or the project of the $10.85 million US. Okay, so these are the goals. So what exactly is this partnership aiming to achieve? Here are the key goals. Number one, we have strengthening disease surveillance. By improving the ability to detect outbreaks early, we can respond faster and more effectively. Number two, we have enhancing laboratory systems. Upgrading laboratory capabilities to ensure accurate and timely diagnosis of infectious diseases. Number three, we have training healthcare workers, equipping local healthcare professionals with the skills and knowledge they need to handle public health emergencies. Number four, community engagement, educating and involving communities in health initiatives to ensure a collaborative approach to disease prevention and control. Now we are coming to how it works. The $10.85 million US investment will be used to fund various programs and infrastructure improvement. This includes state-of-the-art lab equipment, advanced training programs, and public awareness campaigns. By combining resources and expertise, Korea, the USA, and Ghana are setting a new standard for international health collaboration. Okay, now let's look at the bigger impact of this project. But it's not just about immediate benefits. This partnership is a stepping stone towards a more secure and resilient global health landscape. By building stronger health systems in Ghana, we are creating a blueprint that can be replicated in other countries. This means a safer, healthier future for everyone, no matter where they live. This partnership between Korea, the USA, and Ghana is more than just a health initiative. It's a light of hope and true show of what we can achieve when we work together. Let's celebrate this incredible collaboration and look forward to a world where health security is Priority for all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories from around the world. What do you think about this international partnership? Let's get the conversation going. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Okay? Of course, it's humanity first, uplifting all souls across the board. You are all legends. I love you all. Once more, don't forget to put on all notifications so that each time a new video is dropped, you'll be the first to be notified. You are all legends. I love you all. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.